Hey y'all, it's Carisha and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so you get notifications when I post. And enjoy yourself. So I received some hair from Sue Bella Hair Company off of Amazon, and I decided to do a frontal wig install video. So I've already got my bald cap laid down. I did that off camera, and now I'm just cleaning up around my hairline, removing any oils or any grease that may be on my hairline with 91% alcohol. I also already put my skin protectant on, and now I am about to go in with 5 layers of this glue. Today I will be using Gummy Glue by I'ma Slay Your Bae. That's her Instagram handle. This glue, y'all, when I laid this lace in this glue, like I couldn't move it no more. It was stuck for real. This is a really good lace glue. I recommend that you go and get it. She also has sensitive lace glue for those who have sensitive skin, and the extra gummy is actually what I use. Now that I've smoothed out all 5 layers of that glue and let it dry majority clear, I go ahead and place my lace into the glue. And if you see me looking to the side, it's because I have to look into my mirror to get this to lay all the way where I want it to lay. Because I got a little widow's peak, so I have to lay it in the right place. Otherwise, it's going to look whack. So after I've placed that lace in that glue and I've smoothed it in and make sure that that lace is laying directly into that glue, I go ahead and pin my hair up, and then I apply my elastic band. And then of course you're going to blow dry for a couple of minutes, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then you're just going to take that elastic band off. After you have let that lace sit for about 15 to 20 minutes with that elastic band, go ahead and cut off that excess lace. You can use scissors or eyebrow razors. I use scissors to cut slits, and then I use the eyebrow razor to get all that extra lace off. After I take my lace off, I like to go over that lace with the Ruby Kisses foundation, and I use the shade RDF 15. I use the darkest shade. And then I am using my hot comb to hot comb back any stray pieces of hair that may be in the way. Now it's time to separate the hair that I'm going to use for baby hair. So I didn't take out the whole hairline this time. I just took out pieces where I knew I wanted my baby hair to lay, if that makes sense. So what I'm saying is it's going to be 3 pieces of hair out on either side of my head. Now that I have those baby hairs separated, I do go back in with the Ruby Kisses foundation over the parts where the baby hair will be laying. You just want to make sure that this entire look is seamless and flawless, and this is really what's going to set it off. And don't forget to go behind that with some Got To Be Glued spray or your favorite hairspray. While I'm waiting on the Got To Be Glued spray to dry, I do go in and flat iron my hair with my Conair flat iron, and it's 2 inches, and I just picked it up from Walgreens. It works really, really good. Alright, so that Got To Be Glued spray is dry after about 15 minutes. I take it off and look at the scalp. Lace, what? What's lace? Alright y'all, let's get into these baby hairs. So what you want to do is use an eyebrow razor to cut those baby hairs shorter. You want to leave it at least about an inch or two so you have something to work with. If it needs to be cut shorter, you can always go back and cut it shorter. But once you cut it, like, the hair is gone. So I just recommend that you go ahead and cut it a little bit longer than what you need it to be. After cutting the baby hair down, I used my 3/10 inch flat iron to curl those baby hairs going upwards. It's just going to make it easier to swoop. And I'm doing a new baby hair, little method today. So yeah, just watch and learn, y'all. So to help my baby hair stay in place today, I will be using She Is Bomb Collection Slick and Slay Gel. And y'all, it doesn't make the baby hair crunchy. It doesn't make it hard. Like, just watch how I did it. You see that? And I only put it on the roots of the hair, not on the curl part. Just on the roots to make that hair stay in place. And I did try the C curl baby hairs today. Y'all let me know how I did. I love them. I'll probably be doing them more often now. It was just so exciting. This whole install was lit, y'all. So I just went back in and plucked my middle part just so that it doesn't look too dense. And then after I pluck it, I do use the Ruby Kisses foundation, a shade lighter than my skin complexion. And I put that in the middle part and just smoothed it down so that the part looks even more natural. So I just wanted to come back and say that I'm absolutely in love with this hair. Subella hair, you did your thing. It is true to length, it's true to density, it's 220% density. And oh my gosh, y'all, it's so soft. Now, while I was flat ironing the hair, I did get some, it might have had fillers in it, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. So just keep that in mind. But you know, when I flat ironed it the first time through, I believe that all of those fillers came out. And the hair is great. It has a lot of body. You know, it takes heat very well. I haven't tried to curl it yet, so I have to let y'all know how it does when it's curled. But yeah, I absolutely love this unit. Thank y'all so much for watching. You know, if you have anything that you would like me to do, just leave it down in the comments below, and I will try to reply to them as best as I can. Thank y'all so much for watching, and until next time.